Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm going to give you an honest review of this Bona Hardwood floor cleaner. I buy it in this large quantity. This is the 3.78 liters, 128 fluid ounce container. You can buy it in a smaller size as well, but I'm not lying when I say you're going to use this. So I actually was turned on to Bona by the person who installed our hardwood floors. So they were a hardwood floor expert that when I said, how do I take care of these floors? What do I do? They said, Bona products are wonderful. So I love that they came very highly recommended by a trusted person that's in the professional field of floors. So I knew I was getting a good product. This is, there's a few different varieties you can buy. This is, just one of them. It is a cleaner, it's residue free, it's safe for hardwoods, so it can cut the grime, and it really does. When I clean my floors, just even after one pass, they're amazing, but it's also not so harsh it's gonna damage your floors. We recently renovated our kitchen. I feel like I was cleaning our floors all the time as the construction workers were, coming in and out and leaving on the weekends. I would always do a deep clean on my floors, and this really did keep our floors in incredible shape. So I couldn't recommend it more. For however you're applying it, that's up to you, but this product is absolutely amazing. I really think you're gonna enjoy it. I hope this review helps.